ABC Educational Channel. Countryside Nationalities.
Where are they from? What are their nationalities?
This is Thomas. He is from Germany. He is German. German.
This is Sophia. She is from Portugal. She is Portuguese.
Portuguese.
This is Rafael. He is from Spain. He is Spanish. Spanish. This is Billy. He is from America. He is American. American.
This is Yelena. She is from Russia. She is Russian. Russian.
This is Ronaldo. He is from Brazil. He is a Brazilian. Brazilian. This is Luciano. He is from Italy. He is Italian. Italian.
She is Maria. She is from Philippines.
She is Filipino.
Filipino. This is Tumcha. He is from Thailand. He is Thai. Thai.
This is Anissa. She is from Indonesia. She is Indonesian. Indonesian.
This is Henry. He is from Australia. He is Australian. Australian.
This is Olivia. She is from Canada. She is Canadian. Canadian.
This is Kabir. He is from India. He is Indian. Indian. This is Ahmed. He is from Morocco. He is Moroccan. Moroccan.
This is Lang.
She is from Vietnam. She is Vietnamese. Vietnamese.
This is Azumi. She is from Japan. She is Japanese. Japanese. This is Natalie. She is from France. She is French. French.
This is Feng. He is from China. He is Chinese. Chinese.
This is Jane. She is from England. She is English. English.
Awesome kids.